record screen tutorial in your Motorola smartphone. So let's start the video, friends. So it is very simple how you can record your this screen. So if you want one application on or entire screen, you can customize it. So first you have to go to the settings, so you can customize the record screen. Just you have to do it, just go to the search and here you have to write record screen, and here it is. Just type here record screen, and this is, just tap on here. So you will see all the settings are here. You can customize your resolution. If you want higher resolution, tap on the highest. Record touch points, file size, avatar size, that is small, large, you can choose it, and start your recording without mic or with mic, and then it will be saved to your file manager or recorder. It is very simple. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.